Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine easily. First, gather your essential equipment like a primary fermenter and an airlock. Next, select ripe, blemish-free fruit. Remember to sanitize all your equipment thoroughly to prevent any contamination. This crucial step ensures a clean and successful start to your winemaking journey, setting the foundation for delicious results. Once your must is prepared, it's time to introduce the yeast. This tiny organism will convert the sugars into alcohol, beginning the magical fermentation process. Keep the temperature consistent, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure healthy yeast activity. Watch for bubbling in your airlock. It's a clear sign that fermentation is actively underway. After primary fermentation, you'll want to rack your wine. This means carefully transferring it to a secondary fermenter, leaving behind any sediment. This step helps clarify the wine and prevents off flavors. Now, the patience begins. Allow your wine to age for several months. This time is crucial for developing its full flavor profile. You might also consider adding a small amount of sulfites to protect against oxidation. The final step is bottling your homemade wine. Ensure all your bottles and siphoning equipment are meticulously sanitized. Carefully fill each bottle, leaving approximately 1 inch of headspace to allow for expansion and proper corking. Once bottled, cork or cap them securely and store your creations in a cool, dark place. Now, you can proudly enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.